The UI in Counter-Strike 2 has gotten a complete overhaul, including fresh visual effects throughout the hunt. Valorant. You guys see that? Look at this. Look at this. Boom. This is what I was talking about. Now we're finally getting fucking gas. About fucking time. Holy. Counter-Strike 2 sounds have been reworked to better reflect the physical environment, be more distinct, and express more game state. They've also been rebalanced for a more comfortable listening experience. Thank goodness. Whatever they're doing here, I'm sure they have a pretty good idea of, I mean, bro, this game's been out for a decade. Like, I'm sure they have a pretty good idea of what needs touching and what doesn't. And there's more to come. Limited test only evaluates a subset of Counter-Strike 2's features. Oh, okay, well. I didn't mean to hit that, but all right, well, that was it. The smokes is the best part, for sure.